Use the graph of f of x equal to the absolute value of x to obtain the graph g of x, which is the absolute value of x minus 4. Now, the standard equation of an absolute value function is a absolute value of x minus h plus k. So this is very similar to a quadratic equation, except that we don't have the second power. And here, the vertex is going to be at h comma k. To graph an absolute value function, I usually follow these three steps. I plot the vertex, I use the a value as the slope, and then I reflect points. So here I have the function f of x equal to the absolute value of x. This is the parent function. And I'm trying to get g of x, which now I'm shifting 4 units down. So to follow this skeleton, I'm going to rewrite this just a little bit to make it look more familiar. I'm going to have g of x equal to 1, since I don't have a clear leading coefficient. Absolute value of x. And I'm going to subtract 0. And I'm going to subtract 4. Now we can see that my a value is 1, my h value is 0, and my k value is negative 4. My vertex is at h and k, which is going to be 0, comma, negative 4. So I'm going to begin by plotting 0, comma, negative 4, since that is the vertex. So I'm going to go to my graph, and at the origin, I'm going to go down 1, 2, 3, 4 units. Now at the vertex, we have that axis of symmetry. So I'm going to go ahead and emphasize this in green. And it's at this point where now I'm going to use my a value, which is 1, to get the slope. So here, since I don't have a denominator, this is 1 over 1. So I'm going to go up 1 to the right 1, up 1 to the right 1, up 1 to the right 1. Giving me all of these points to the diagonal of the vertex. Now I'm going to follow the last step. I'm going to reflect each point over this line of symmetry. They have to be equidistant from that line. So beginning at this point is 1 distance away from the line of symmetry. So the reflection has to also be 1 distance away. Now I go to the next point. This one's 2 distances away. So my reflection is going to be 2 distances away. And if I follow that pattern, I'm getting the diagonals to the left of my vertex. And now this new function is g of x, which is the absolute value of x minus 4.